How do I get a certificate from Hansa? Hey there! So you completed your course with Hansa and are now ready to get that certificate. Let's dive into how you can do that, whether you study in person or online. Whether you attended classes, on campus, or virtually, getting your certificate from Hansa is simple. Let's break it down step by step. Accessing your account. First things first, log into your Hansa account. Your username is your email address. The password is your date of birth, year, month, and date. For example, September 28th, 1987 is 1987-09-28 Request Certificate. Go to Hansa portal and click Certificates. Fill out all the information and respond to all the questions. When you are ready, scroll down and hit the Request Certificate button. The admission department will check your records and teacher's notes and give you a certificate according to your level. And there you have it. Your certificate is on its way, a testimony to your hard work and dedication. You should apply for your certificate on Monday of your last week of class, and you can pick it up on Fridays at reception. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Hansa. Now you are talking.